Honda has finally taken the wraps off the Civic Hatchback as well. And though it doesn't look very different than the sedan, there are a few elements which are new, starting with the hatch that replaces the boot in the sedan version. In terms of styling, the hatchback is the sportier looking version and is for those who want a comparatively smaller and sportier car without compromising on performance or quality. Honda is offering the new Civic Hatchback in 4 variants: LX, Sport, EXL and Sport Touring. While the Japanese automaker has been producing the Civic in North America for the past 35 years, this will be the first time that the car will be manufactured in the company's Greensburg, Indiana auto plant in the US. The new Honda Civic Hatchback looks very similar to its sedan sibling when looking at the front and side. There are subtle distinctions like the new honeycomb design for the grille and the shorter length. However, at the rear, things are a bit more different when you compare it to the sedan or to the previous gen Civic Hatchback. Honda has given the 11th gen Civic Hatch a more sedate tail lamp design, and it looks more like a fastback now thanks to the sloping roofline. In terms of size, the new Civic Hatchback is identical to its sedan sibling in width, height and wheelbase, but is slightly shorter in length. While the sedan is 4,655mm long, the hatchback is around 106mm shorter and has a length of 4,549mm. On the inside, the layout and equipment are similar to the sedan but with a width of sportiness. The optional 9-inch infotainment system offers both wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay and comes paired with a Bose sound system in the Touring spec. The seamless AC vents are hidden inside the diamond mesh finish running the width of the dash. The 10.2-inch driver's display is highly configurable and changes its layouts regarding the driving modes. Honda has stiffened up the chassis of the Civic Hatchback and improved the driving pleasure over the sedan. The suspension and steering are tuned for sporty driving that is further enhanced with the option of short throw stick shift. Under the hood, the 2022 Honda Civic Hatchback comes equipped with a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder unit that develops 158 brake horsepower and 187 Newton meters. The other available option is a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder unit developing 180 brake horsepower and 240 Newton meters. Both units come coupled with a 6-speed manual gearbox. Then there is the CVT unit on offer for the top end variants only, and it gets paddle shifters on the Sport or Sport Touring versions.